The New York session is a continuation of whatever London is. So if London was going down and it has not reached your higher time frame daily or weekly objective, we expect some measure of short-term retracement and then continuation in the New York session until the higher time frame weekly or daily objective that we would be reaching for as a draw on liquidity, the target. When that's hit in the New York session, then you are entering New York reversal profile, not market profile where they have the vertical volume bars, going horizontally across the chart. That to me, I don't use that stuff. When I say profile, that's like a schematic or a roadmap or a visual representation of how the market should perform if you were looking at it from like a line chart basis, how it should look after the fact. But we're anticipating it to perform or behave a specific way. So New York session's continuation of London, and then New York goes into market reversal profile, where whatever happened in London in the early stages of New York now reverse, and the market goes a different direction. Whether if it's going lower, now it will go higher, or if it's going higher, it will now go lower. If and when it hits the weekly or daily objective that we were aiming for, that framed our bias or premise behind our trading week. Silver bullet inside of the AM session. That time window is very, very specific. It's inside of 60 minutes. Now, that doesn't mean the entire trade is encapsulated inside that 60 minutes, but most of the time you're going to find it is. But you can find the entry in between 10 o'clock and 11, and all you're looking for is a continuation of what London and or New York is outlining. So we have a target. We're looking for a draw on liquidity. It could be a new week opening gap that we're aiming for. It could be a fair value gap above the marketplace that we're aiming for if we're bullish. And that draw on liquidity is what we're looking for, a reach from that fair value gap that forms, whatever the fair value gap, the first one that forms between 10 o'clock and 11, that one, you're going to see that right there, that's going to be a catalyst for a minimum 5-handle run.